Could you move your truck somewhere else?
Truck? Need your eyes checked, Gus?
The one right in front of you.
Okay, I get it. You see something new in the bricks again.
You wouldn't believe when I see. Should I make it real?
You bet.
But this time, Ricky, you're the one taking it apart.
All right, fair enough.
But leave me a few pieces for my sketch.
Sketch? With bricks?
Pen and paper are overrated.
Classic you, Gus.
All right, this is going to be easy. We need wheels, a sturdy frame, fenders, and a cool cabin. Whoa, that was fast.
Yeah, I'm great at wrecking things.
Yeah, I can tell.
Oops, my bad.
Had it all in my head anyway. Ricky, you've got a talent. Looks a bit like you.
You always say everything's in the bricks, right?
Yeah, it's all in the bricks, my friend. See if you can figure out what's in this while you wait. Huh. That didn't look like 1,000 pieces when it was still a car. Ricky's got fewer parts. Sometimes that's harder. Heh, good luck, buddy. Oh, you, my friend, are just what I need. Born to be a bumper. You can take a hit. Good. You'll need it once Ricky gets his hands on you. Six cylinders should be enough to make you look fast. The real power's coming later. You're here to impress, not to lose. Hey, let's make some heads turn. Well, well, a throne for the king of the road. Perfect little gear shifter. Oops, has a mind of its own, apparently. Full spiral thrust with one pullback left and one pullback right. You two are gonna make one badass exhaust. In the brick world, we still love a bit of smoke. Let's add a side air intake, kept in place by the same guy doing exhaust duty. I love it when parts multitask. You're red and round. You're hired. As taillights. Rubbers on. Check. Okay, what's left? Dang, not much. But we've got just enough for a final touch. A rear spoiler. Not bad for scraps, huh? Yep, way better than last time. Now that's a tough guy. Wouldn't mess with him.
3, 2, 1.
An absolute destroyer. Ricky's gonna love it. Done. Well, what do you think?
Sweet. I made something too.
Whoa! Nice. So you're not just good at wrecking things.
And mine's got more features than yours.
You got me there. But mine's faster. Go on, try it.
Oops.
Yup, wrecking, nailed it. But hey, building too. It's all in the bricks. And it's all in you.